Oh, fuck you, Keaton.
Shit, I see that.
No, I was just
Oh.
passing by.
Get wrecked, Jay.
He had a way better gun than I did. The fuck?
That's the only reason.
Yeah, AK.
It is.
It is.
Actually.
It does way more damage.
Oh, I'm watching Keaton. Wait, who's this duck? Is that Keaton?
Damn it.
Yeah,
Got
it's
away.
Keaton.
Oh, come
I'm
on,
gonna-
Keaton. Kill
Oh,
that
I
guy.
see Alan. Oh shit. Let's go.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, get wrecked.
Yo, he didn't even take that much damage.
Yeah, a jag. He had a jag.
Don't apologize, Alan. You take it.
Damn it.
Come on, Alan. You can win this. You can win this.
Alright, all eyes on Alan.
No, you never got to kill the guy I'm watching.
Oh,
So
where?
I'm still watching nobody, bro.
Wait, what?
And he's not even good. You could have killed him.
Oh, where was I on him?
Yeah, you fired on him and then he got away from you.
Yeah, he's too fast.
You
Oh,
went in
shit.
opposite Directions.
Oh no!
This fool's gonna nade himself. Oh my god. Alright, I'm watching Zero now.
Three players left.
Is Alan still alive?
Yeah, he is.
Yep.
I'm watching him.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Alan's in the fog again. Careful,
Oh,
Alan.
You're so gonna die now then.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh no, Alan's so gonna get wrecked.
Damn, so close.
Oh,
0-1 again.
Yeah.
Damn. Someone took a shotgun.
This might be Alan's first win, finally.
Jay-Z's still alive.
I mean, I'm not gonna make it to the end. Someone's gonna third me.
There's still 31 people.
This is
As
it.
per usual.
I feel it. This is Alan's win.
Oh shit! Emu, don't touch me, Emu! Ah!
Join
fuck,
his
I just
team
cornered myself.
a little
I'm an
too
idiot,
late.
I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Fuck!
Alan killed
Oh,
Frank.
RZ.
Hello.
Let's see how.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Oh
What'd you say?
god.
I won. Oh my
JC
Lanza.
killed TV. Oh, Alan killed Clifford. Sorry, what did you say? Cake.
Cake.
All right. Well, let's see how well I play with alcohol.
Oh god.
Oh.
It's okay, I have a glass of wine. Ha.
Yeah, I've got a couple shots of Hennessy.
Oh god, wow. Okay.
What's the occasion?
Tough day.
Sunday.
Human.
Uh,
Oh shit, I'm out of the zone. Where am I?
yeah, I'm tired. Drink for fun.
That'll knock you out for sure.
I respect it.
We're still in a solo right now. But
Yeah, we're
I'm
all
sure.
soloing in the same lobby. It's
Yeah. It's quite entertaining. Not meeting each other. Oh fuck you. Fuck you. I see you, bro. I see you, bro. Hello. Oh, he ran away. He didn't want to fight. Okay. Oh shit! Oh
Oh, not really like each other or anything like that. Oh,
I killed
Oh,
him.
Jay-Z killed him.
Let's go.
I got vision on Jay-Z now. Oh,
Oh, but he has armor.
oh,
I got all of his armor off, I bet.
I'm pretty sure you won the battle. You were actually like, if you hit the red barrel, he probably would have died.
I tried to hit the red barrel. I missed, though, when I was aiming at.
Should've
Oh,
grabbed
wait,
the
is that
safe.
him?
I don't think.
Somebody died there.
Ooh.
Alright.
Oh. Dan the man.
Oh, shit, I see one.
Oh. It's
Oh.
a showdown.
Oh,
Oh,
shit!
Oh shit! Oh no! Get him! He's low for sure. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
nice, 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 nice.
3 left. 3 left. Or 2 other left, I mean.
I need a tape. I need a tape. I need a tape. Fuck.
They're all in the same area. Oh wait, no.
oh.
No!
Oh shit!
No.
Damn,
I didn't
nice
have a
try,
chance
nice
to
try.
come back. I didn't have a chance to come back.
Oh, he's
Oh,
so
this guy's
low.
low.
Oh, I think it's gonna be Dan.
Oh, he's
Oh, wait,
done.
no, no,
He's
no.
Oh,
done.
he's dead.
Fuck! That guy barely had to do anything. There's still
I
plenty
mean,
of time.
Still 40
Hey.
seconds.
Oh
Cake's with
shit!
us.
Cake even made it.
Jay?
yeah, I mean, I killed 7 people and then died.
I don't think I'm in this one.
Yeah, I don't
Oh.
think you are.
You are.
Wait,
I mean, essentially everybody's in the same lobby if you're not.
that's true. Cause it does not until 10 seconds it fills with bots.
Right. So Cake said he's gonna kill 7 people, so that's all of us plus 2 other randoms or 3 other randoms.
No, my last game I killed 7 people and then died.
Oh.
Oh, this is that TV shadow screen. A lot of them. Hello, TV shadow screen. Oh, is it starting? Oh shit.
Oh, the winter.
It's coming.
You watch the new Game of
Damn,
Thrones.
that's a lot of people.
Oh, I see Keaton jumping.
Oh,
Hey,
look,
lucky.
the skunk right in front of me. Oh, the skunk is going downwards. Oh. Oh, wait.
Oh god, there's no weapon there, Keaton! Don't come here! Ah! Oh shit! Oh shit, Keaton!
Oh, fuck, damn it. I had a... God, I got a pistol. Or I got a... I still lost the battle. To an AK. Double AK user.
Of course you lost to an AK. It's an AK, bro.
Yeah.
I have no gun. That's good. I have a pistol. Oh wait,
Alright.
shotgun. Okay, something.
Damn, this is like... This area has so many people, but like...
Are
a lot
you
of
dead?
them. Yeah, I did. I lost to double AK.
Oh, dead! Oh shit! Oh shit! I thought that guy. Oh, I didn't know that guy had a gun. I thought we were gonna melee battle.
Grandma. JC had murdered grandma.
Bro, I thought we were gonna melee battle. Then he pulled out his gun, so I had to pull out my gun. What a cheater.
Oh, Cake. There's another guy named Cake here. But his is just Cake, so you gotta kill him.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Show
yeah.
him who's the better cake.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Alan has killed Reaper.
Ooh.
I don't know where he is.
That is.
Jay killed Mr. Pickles.
Oh, I remember Mr. Pickles. That's a name I've seen before.
He's a noob.
Delivery mole. Ooh, is that my delivery mole? No.
Oh my god. Oh, Cake. The other Cake has died.
Good.
See that?
Shows him right for stealing.
What'd you say? Cake killed your conscious once again.
Oh.
Oops. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, Alan's dead.
Oh no, this is
Brady.
like the first time in a while. Oh wait, what are those?
Only 1 kill.
Oh, I don't want that. No. Oh wait. Oh, it's white. Fuck. I don't even have an AK. This sucks.
They killed Barkley. Someone
Is there a
killed
way
Knock.
to see the leaderboard?
There's none.
Oh,
No.
there's none.
Yeah. Ain't no leaderboard.
Someone killed Noxious so I can view you guys. I don't like this guy. He's another skunk, so
Can't even find a good gun. This blows.
oh my god. That was embarrassing.
What happened?
Yeah.
Got emote.
That's fine. That's fine. Finally. Okay. It's fighting time.
You said that last time and you instant died.
True, true, true. but now it really is fighting time.
Oh my god, double rollers. No!
I can only use that in squads. I feel sad. I feel like there's a lot less viable guns solo.
Really?
Yeah, like I mean, I guess, Keen did die to a dart gun in solo, so maybe dart gun's not as bad.
He won the game. Oh, I saw Jay emoed away.
Oh shit! Oh shit! So many people.
Cake just killed Kindness.
Oh shit!
Oh, I see a skunk versus skunk battle.
Oh, that was noxious.
Oh, Noxious is a coward. He's scared of you. You were too intimidating.
I mean, he had a. Why does he have a dart gun anyway?
He's actually not bad. I mean, it's just
Shay, so he can actually win with dart gun? Holy fuck!
I don't know how he's not as good as like some of the other guys, but oh,
Oh crap! I got darted. Fuck! Shit!
oh my
Oh
god,
my god, two emus.
so chaos here.
The emu fight.
There are so many people riding emus. What the fuck?
Oh, both emus died.
Oh, Jay
I have a
Cake
shitty
just
gun,
killed-
man.
Ooh.
and the man. Cake's popping off. Jay killed Bella.
Oh fuck! I'm also dying. Fuck.
Okay, Noxious is popping off.
Oh.
Who you're watching, Alan?
Voltro?
Oh, he's still alive too.
Yeah. It's the guy who killed me.
Yeah. What is he?
Oh, he got killed by a ball.
Oh.
By Shadow's turn.
Oh,
Jay
shit,
killed
Cake!
Cake! Jay killed Cake!
Yeah. Got shot by some dude behind me.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh crap!
Oh!
Oh, get balled.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Wait, Noxious is zoned out.
Go Jay!
Kill that guy, Jay. Kill that guy.
I'm
He
low.
didn't even mean to kill me, bro. He didn't even mean to kill
Oh.
me.
Noxious killed Jay. Noxious.
That's
Wow,
so...
there's so many people alive here.
Oh my god, there's
That's
like
a
6
first.
people in the
People
square.
in such a tiny square.
Holy shit!
Everyone's Dart gun.
Holy shit!
You
Okay,
have like
this,
no time to heal.
yeah, okay, this Noxious guy is actually really good. Ah, never mind, he died.
God damn it. That's some bullshit if I...
This guy won the last time. Oh
He
shit.
got zoned out, he got zoned out.
Oh, two more people.
Oh.
Oh. Battle of HP.
Wow.
Wow, who won? Indigo? Wow.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Damn.
Damn,
Come
this
on.
Noxious is pretty good.
Holy shit. Oh.
Noxious versus Cake?
Oh!
Ooh, Noxious.
Oh.
Oh shit, he's going down.
Oh, oh,
He has
a
no,
minigun.
1 HP.
Yeah.
Noxious, 1 HP! 1 HP!
Oh, he's dead, yeah.
There's
Not
some
enough.
There's no way.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys have fun. I gotta go.